Okay, so now that we have a GitHub account and VS Code downloaded, the next thing to do is create a folder to work in, call it whatever you want, soul tutorial, call it. And you can make a folder, right click or control click if you're on a Mac, and hit open with code. That will open an instance of VS Code for you. When you get into the instance of VS Code, click on New Terminal, and that'll open the terminal down at the bottom. And it'll put you in the directory that we are in currently. Once you do that, open up GitHub. Go to github.com, search for Munzie Course 1. Once you get to this page, you're going to click Fork. Say you don't have any forks, create new fork. The owner will be you. You can call it whatever you want. And then just create the fork. Once you have the fork created, you're going to click on the green code button, and you're going to hit the copy button, and then you're going to go back to VS Code. You're going to go to the terminal. You're going to type git clone, and then you're going to paste in what we just copied, and you're going to hit enter. Then all of a sudden, you're going to have all of these things in your code.